Hey everyone, this is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with a very unique use cases. This is going to the real world use cases. So I was working this use cases, so I thought I should make a video on that. So the use case is that let's suppose you have the table. Okay, so I'm using the sample superstore data. Your might be the different use cases, but you can relate this. So I'm using the sample superstore data and I'm using the category and region. Okay, and I am taking the customer names. This is going to be the unique customer names, and what these are the numbers. Okay, so the case is like when I click any of the numbers, let's say I'll click 319. So I can see related to 319 customers, 319 tickets, 319, any kind of the numbers. So the idea is, let's say I'm clicking the 297. The 297 should be represented here into the C2 or the target sheet. Okay. Okay. So till now, this is very straightforward. You can use action filter or you can achieve that. But what I want, let's say we have the grand totals. So end user can click 713 in the grand total. So it should see the 713 represented in the target sheet. Okay. If the user or the end user can select the 786 from the grand total, they can also represent into the 787. Okay. So how can we achieve this? Okay, this is the you need to go for the next two steps. One is you first create a parameter. Second will be you need to combine your parameter in the calculation. Then you go to the worksheet, then create maybe change parameter action that will work. Okay, so let's see how can we do this. So let's say I delete everything. Let's say I also delete everything. In first sheet, I want category and I want the region and I should flip that. And customer name, I want the unique customer name. So what I do, I make it a county of the customer names. Okay. So till here is very straightforward. You need to create a view. Top of that, you need to apply the totals, columns, grand totals. So we have the totals as well as for the each category. Okay. In second sheet, I want the customer names. When I click any of the numbers, 319, so it should show me the 319 customers. That's it. Okay. So let's say, let me go to filter, action filter. I've already filtered there. Let me check. Or what I will do, I'll make, let's say, it should work, I guess. Yeah. I'll show you. It's already applied. I just delete the sheet. So what I do, go to your worksheet, open that uh, action. This kind of the window you will see in front of your eyes. Okay, so go to the filter one, select your sheet one. Sheet one is whatever we are presenting the view, like we have the category and region and what is the unique customer names and total. So sheet one is that, select run action. So I'm selecting the select. You can maybe hover over menu or single select on whatever it is that. And target sheet will be my sheet 2 where I represented the customer names. Okay. And clearing selection, it will be the by default keep and it's okay. So let's say I want to click 219. This is belong to technology. So you can see in the below in the down 219 is there, and let's say category as well. So you can see this is belong to the technology. I can see the technology related records. Let's say I can see 239. This is belong to the furniture. I can say to 239. So till now is very straightforward. Okay. So now what the use cases is, if I click the grand total 713, it's related to the furniture. I should show 713 records into the my target sheet. That is the use cases. Okay. So what I did, I create a parameter. This is going to be the blank parameter. Okay. This is my the parameter. Okay. And data type should be my string. And I hit the OK. Okay. And go to your target sheet uh, 2 where you have the raw data or you wanted to present your raw data. Create a calculation. Calculation is going to very simple. My category equal to my parameter 3. Okay. So parameter 3 is just we have created the blank parameter using the string data type. Okay. If this going to equal to this give me the true. Okay. So let's say I'm selecting the true over here. Okay. Or let me show the parameter over here so you can see. So let's say I'm selecting 793. So if you see, go to the sheet 1, office supplies populated by the parameter 3. Because I created the blank parameter, I wanted to populate it. Whatever I click in the my sheet 1, it should show the parameter 3. Let's say I am going to create the furniture. Go to your sheet 1, so furniture populated here. Okay. So what it will do, when I click the 713 is going to the sheet 2 and pass the parameter here, it's going to true, and the 713 record is populated here. So you can see the down 713 records are here. Let's say 686. So you can see in this sheet 2, your target sheet 687 records are here as per the selection. And if you can select any of the numbers, it's populated as per the selection. Okay. This is very quite simple and very good use cases when you're working the tables and end user like looking forward. Can you please give me the all the Jira tickets, the grand total Jira tickets when I click, or it could be the downloadable. So what you'll do, you create a dashboard and you give the Excel file. When user can click, they can download all the Jira tickets, case ID, case number, whatever it is that. So that's it. We can like achieve using like action filter, create a parameter. I hope I make sense, and if I make sense, and please make sure you subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching this.